Welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic yet underrated vehicles, the Honda Element. Whether you love quirky, practical cars or appreciate unique designs, the Element has something to offer. We'll be exploring everything from its design, performance, and history, to why it remains a beloved model among its fans. Let's get started. The Honda Element was first introduced in 2003 and was marketed as a compact crossover SUV with a unique boxy design. The design was developed by Honda's American design team and was heavily influenced by the practical needs of active lifestyles. Development and design: Honda wanted to create a car that would appeal to young, adventurous buyers, targeting people who needed versatility, space, and practicality in their daily vehicles. The vehicle was designed to accommodate outdoor activities like surfing, camping, and mountain biking, with a cabin space that could be easily cleaned and used for different purposes. The Element was marketed primarily to young, active adults who needed more room than a typical sedan or coupe. Its rugged charm and customizable interior made it stand out in a crowded automotive market. Legacy of the Honda Element: although production ended in 2011, the Element still holds a special place in the hearts of fans. Its legacy lives on in the crossover and SUV market, with many models following in its footsteps in terms of versatility and unique design features. The Honda Element is known for its distinctive boxy shape, which maximizes interior space. Its utilitarian look was polarizing, but it also made a bold statement. The Element's design was perfect for people who wanted something different from the traditional SUV. Functional elements: swing-out doors. One of the most defining features of the Element was its rear swing-out doors, which made loading and unloading cargo easier, especially in tight spaces. Rugged materials and build: the exterior was designed to be tough, with a wide stance, protective cladding, and a functional roof rack for outdoor enthusiasts. The interior was simple but highly functional, with washable materials that made it easy to clean after adventures. The Element's cabin was spacious, with a flat floor layout that allowed for the seats to be folded down or removed entirely. Colors and customization: Honda offered various color options, including bright colors like orange and green, which reinforced the Element's youthful, energetic vibe. 3 interior features and comfort: 1000 words. The Honda Element featured a versatile seating arrangement that included rear seats that could fold flat to create a large, open space. The rear seats could also be completely removed for an even greater amount of cargo space. Practical features: the interior was designed with practicality in mind. For example, it featured rubberized floor mats and plastic seat coverings, which could be easily washed off after a long outdoor excursion. Standard tech features included a basic audio system, but later models came equipped with more advanced options such as Bluetooth, MP3 capabilities, and navigation systems. Comfort and usability: despite its rugged appearance, the Honda Element was designed to offer a comfortable ride with an elevated seating position that provided a good view of the road. The Honda Element was offered with 2 engine options over its production run. Early models came with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering up to 160 horsepower, while later models were tuned for better fuel efficiency. Initially, the Element came with a 5-speed manual transmission, but an automatic transmission was also available. The 2007 update introduced a 5-speed automatic transmission to improve driving experience. All-wheel drive AWD and front-wheel drive FWD: for those seeking a bit more off-road capability, Honda offered an AWD version of the Element, although most were front-wheel drive. The Element was fairly efficient for its class, with fuel economy in the 20s mpg for most models. The ride was comfortable but not overly smooth, as its design prioritized utility over luxury. 5 Honda Element in the market and its competitors. 1000 words. Market positioning. The Honda Element's quirky design made it stand out in the crossover segment. It competed with other compact crossovers, such as the Toyota RAV4 and Subaru Outback, but it was designed with a more niche audience in mind. Price and value. The Element was priced competitively with other compact SUVs of its time. It offered good value for the money, with high levels of practicality and interior space for its price range. Competitor comparison. Compared to its competitors, the Element's boxy design and ruggedness made it more versatile for outdoor enthusiasts, while the RAV4 and Subaru Outback were more conventional choices for families. The Element became a symbol of youthful energy, embracing the outdoor lifestyle that resonated with a certain demographic. It was popular among surfers, campers, and adventure seekers. Role in media and films. The Element appeared in several films and TV shows, where it was used as a practical, go-anywhere vehicle. Its unique look and reputation for practicality made it an easy choice for filmmakers who wanted a car that stood out. The Element's cult following. Despite being discontinued, the Element has retained a cult following, especially among those who appreciate its distinctive look and versatility. Many enthusiasts still modify and restore their Elements, adding custom features to enhance their rugged appeal. The Honda Element earned solid safety ratings during its production run, with front and side impact airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability control as standard on many models. The Element's boxy design provided excellent crash protection, as it had a higher roofline and more substantial structural integrity compared to many smaller SUVs and crossovers. Later models featured Honda's safety technologies, including side curtain airbags and advanced braking systems, making it a safer vehicle for its time. The Honda Element was discontinued in 2011 after a production run of just 8 years, but its unique design and versatility continue to make it a sought-after vehicle in the used car market. Fan base and modifications. Elements are often customized and modified for various purposes, from off-road adventures to urban campers. Many owners swap out parts to improve performance or enhance the vehicle's capabilities. Classic Honda Elements. The Element's status as a cult classic has only grown in recent years, with clean, low-mileage examples being in demand for collectors. The Element's enduring popularity speaks to the lasting appeal of its distinctive, practical design. The Honda Element may have been ahead of its time with its unique design and emphasis on versatility. Though it didn't achieve mainstream success, it remains a beloved choice for those who value practicality, adventure, and style. Why the Element still matters. Today, the Element still holds a special place in the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. Its combination of rugged utility, clever design, and fun factor makes it a car worth celebrating.